What's up, folks? Just wanted to make a short video on how I use Twitter. If you're thinking about using it as a platform to expand your social media, blah, 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 I'm just going to tell you how I do it and yeah, just go from there. So I use it because it's social media and I want to, expand my brand. And there are a lot of people on Twitter that don't use Instagram or that don't use Facebook. And Twitter is mainly for people that like to talk and like share their opinions and stuff. And, it's also a great platform for artists as well to share their art and their photography and things of that nature. So a lot of people are on Twitter, but you wouldn't know that if you never get on it. So how I like to use it is what I'll do is I pick like four categories of what I like. So in my case, I have Superman, I have cosplay, photography, and then I'll search the hashtag artists on Twitter. So I will go into the search bar and put hashtag one of those categories that I put. And then for whatever one comes up, I'll just scroll until I find something that I like. And then I'll comment on it or retweet it or, say something nice. And I'll do that. So not to get like too overwhelmed, I'll usually set a timer for about 3 minutes, at least once a day. Now, 3 minutes you might think is not a long time, but if you get on Twitter and do this right now, I promise you 3 minutes seems like a long time. So I'll get on Twitter, I'll set a timer for 3 minutes on my phone, type in one of those hashtags, scroll through and just, either like stuff or comment on something. If I put like Superman hashtag Superman in there, people are giving reviews of like the new comic books, or I'll tell them what I think about what I read. I'll do that. And that's pretty much how I use it. It's not a platform for like, some people think I'm not funny enough or this and that. Like honestly, Twitter is so past that now. It's more about just, you know, sharing your opinion. So if you're thinking about using it, as you can see, this is how I use it. It's not super complicated, at least 3 minutes a day. And that's how I built up my brand and name on Twitter. As a matter of fact, if you go on Twitter right now and type in Superman, see what happens. I'll see you in the next video.